Growing avocado trees from seed in soil can be a fun and rewarding project. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Materials needed: ripe avocado, paper towels, pot with drainage holes, potting mix, well draining, water. Step-by-step guide. 1. Obtain a ripe avocado. Start by purchasing a ripe avocado from a grocery store or using one from your kitchen. Choose a variety you enjoy eating, as the tree grown from the seed will likely produce fruits similar to the parent avocado. 2. Remove the seed. Carefully cut open the avocado and remove the large seed pit from the center. Be gentle when taking it out to avoid damaging the seed. 3. Clean the seed. Rinse the seed with water to remove any excess fruit flesh. But do not remove the brown skin, seed coat covering the seed. 4. Prepare the seed for planting. Take a damp paper towel and wrap the avocado seed in it. Place the wrapped seed in a plastic bag or a small container and leave it in a warm spot for about 2-4 weeks. Check it periodically, and once you see the seed has split open, it's ready for planting. 5. Plant the seed. Fill a pot with well-draining potting mix, leaving about an inch of space below the rim. Water the soil until it's moist but not waterlogged. Make a small hole in the center of the soil, about 1-2 inches deep. 6. Plant the seed. Place the seed with the split side down into the hole you made in the soil. The pointy end should be facing upward. The top half of the seed should be exposed above the soil level. 7. Watering. Water the soil gently to ensure it stays consistently moist, but not overly saturated. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Avocado trees require plenty of sunlight to grow well. Place the pot in a sunny spot with direct sunlight. If you don't have enough natural light, consider using a grow light to supplement. 9. Wait and be patient. Avocado trees can take several weeks to several months to germinate and sprout. Be patient and continue to provide care as needed. 10. Transplanting. Once the seedling has grown several inches tall and has a few sets of leaves, you can transplant it into a larger pot or directly into the ground outdoors if the weather is suitable. 11. Care for the avocado tree. Continue to water the tree regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avocado trees also appreciate occasional fertilization with a balanced fertilizer. Note: growing avocados from seeds may not guarantee the same fruit quality as the parent plant. Avocado trees grown from seeds are more likely to produce fruits after several years, and the fruits might be different from the original avocado you used for planting. For consistent fruit characteristics, it's best to propagate avocados through grafting or purchasing grafted avocado plants from a nursery.